brother KE434C. It's only the plastic tab on the Drapery. This is a large plastic tab. Okay. This particular machine, this is on a very large part of the sewing field. So with the standard legs that are in here, we actually have to use one of the different holes that are in the back. The machine, you actually have 3 holes to mount the arch on. So for this particular application, you would mount the feed plate on first, and then when you go to mount the arch on, you'll see that the clamp will line up over the opening in the feed plate. Okay, so this is the smaller Drapery plastic tab. Plastic tab needs to go in a certain way. You'll see when we're finished sewing it. Application for sewing this little snap tape on the end. So when you step on the pedal slightly, the nest will come down. You're going to have to hold it because it won't lock in unless you go to a 3-pedal operation. And once you get that in place, then you can step the rest of the way on the pedal and that'll lock it all in. And then you could just...
That's a fold.
Okay?